Making delicious coconut biscuits is fun and easy. Here's a simple recipe that you can try at home. So I'll have everything in the description, okay? The ingredients: 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 cup of flour, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of butter, softened, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now here are the instructions. Number 1, preheat the oven. Preheat it to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 175 degrees Celsius. Number 2, mix the butter and sugar in a bowl. Cream the softened butter and sugar together until it's light and fluffy. Number 3, add the egg and vanilla. So next, add the egg and the vanilla extract to the bowl and mix it well. Number 4, combine dry ingredients. In another bowl, mix the flour, baking powder, and salt and grated coconut together. Number 5, combine everything. So gradually add the dry mixture to the wet mixture, stirring until it's well combined. Number 6, shape the biscuits. So scoop small amounts of dough and shape them into round biscuits. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Number 7, bake. So bake in the preheated oven for 15 minutes until the biscuits are golden brown. Number 8, cool and enjoy. So let them cool for a few minutes, then enjoy your tasty coconut biscuits. All right?